All right, so hey everyone, welcome to this brief demo of Smart Grid. So Smart Grid is basically a new paradigm for developing and designing electrical grids where we use AI agents as different components of the grid. So here we have a list of all the different components, and each of these is basically modeled as a reinforcement learning agent. So I can basically pull out these different components to construct my own electrical grid and run a simulation. So I'm going to pick my source power generation through a solar farm. Then I'm going to use a control as the grid operator, and I'm going to connect the source to or the power generation unit to the load unit, which could be a residential load, through the grid operator. So this is how I'm going to develop my connection, and I'm going to run the simulation. And when I run the simulation, these are the outputs that I'm getting, right? And I can go through the reports and analyze like how the grid is functioning and so on. Similarly, I can also start a new grid, and I can reopen existing configurations. So I can go back and look at what other configs I already have, so which I've already saved. So let's say I have a simple grid, which is what we just looked at. And if I have any other configuration that I want to run, so let's say something slightly more complicated, we can run the simulation for that as well. So yeah, this is basically Smart Grid, and it allows you to create your own, create and model different electrical grids based on reinforcement learning agents. Thank you.